If you ever fall out of a plane, your first instinct might be to aim for water, but that's actually the worst choice. Water doesn't compress. And when you're falling at over 200 miles per hour, hitting it feels like slamming into concrete. What you really want is a sloped surface, something that can absorb the impact, like, say, the pitched roof at 6750 East Vernon Avenue in Scottsdale, Arizona. That's where you'll find our open house, where modern living meets industrial charm. This Oak Park modern home spans over 2,000 square feet, sitting on an 8,300 square foot lot with solar power, dual RV gates, and a 3-car tandem garage. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a brand new roof, granite countertops, ornate cabinetry, a gas range, and stainless steel appliances throughout. So if you're ready to make a softer landing in your next home, come check out this stylish industrial gem in Oak Park Modern. Let's connect and get you there safely.